eco-friendly home upgrades that save you money. Making your home more eco-friendly doesn't have to break the bank. In fact, many sustainable upgrades can actually save you money in the long run. Whether you want to reduce your environmental impact or cut down on energy bills, here are some eco-friendly home upgrades ways to improve your home. 1. Switch to energy-efficient appliances. One of the easiest ways to make your home more eco-friendly is by upgrading to energy-efficient appliances. Look for the Energy Star label when shopping for refrigerators, washing machines, or dishwashers. These appliances use less electricity and water, lowering your utility bills while reducing your carbon footprint. 2. Install LED lighting. LED bulbs are a small but powerful change. They use up to 75% less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs and can last 25 times longer. Not only will this lower your electricity bill, but you'll also spend less on replacing bulbs over time. 3. Use a smart thermostat. A smart thermostat is a simple way to regulate your home's temperature efficiently. These devices learn your schedule and adjust heating and cooling when you're not home, reducing wasted energy. Over time, this small investment can result in significant savings on your heating and cooling bills. 4. Install low-flow shower heads and faucets. Water conservation is crucial, and switching to low-flow shower heads and faucets can help. These fixtures reduce water usage without sacrificing water pressure, cutting down both your water bill and the energy needed to heat the water. 5. Composting. Instead of throwing away food scraps, start a compost bin in your yard. Composting reduces waste, enriches your soil, and can even save you money if you garden. Compost is a natural fertilizer, reducing the need to buy chemical alternatives for your plants. 6. Upgrade your insulation. Proper insulation keeps your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter, which reduces the need for excessive heating and cooling. Adding insulation to your attic, walls, or floors is a cost-effective way to improve energy efficiency and lower your utility costs. 7. Harvest rainwater. A rainwater harvesting system is one of the best eco-friendly home upgrades that reduce water usage. Collected rainwater can be used to water your plants, clean outdoor areas, or even wash your car, saving on your water bill while conserving a valuable resource.